Our bit set contains 5 high-quality ceramic bits, which include the most popular shapes among ceramic bits. We have chosen the fine and medium strengths, which are particularly suitable for beginners. In the set you will find a round cylinder bit, which is perfect for gentle removal, and 4 smaller bits for the manicure around the sidewalls and cuticles. Now we can start. The round cylinder bit is ideal for beginners as it doesn't easily touch the skin around the nail bed. Start the nail drill. It's important to use the correct speed, which should be between 20,000 to 35,000 rotations per minute when removing the dipping layers. Begin with a speed setting of 20,000 rotations per minute to get used to the nail drill and gradually work your way up. Hold the nail drill securely like a pen in your hand and make sure to brace your hands firmly to operate the drill safely and avoid slipping. As explained in the previous tutorial, always work with the bit flat on the nail. Never try to remove layers or cuticles vertically, as this can quickly cause nail injuries or grooves. You can either file from the nail base to the tip or from side to side, which is easier for beginners as it reduces the risk of staying in one spot for too long. Pay close attention to the direction of the rotating head. If filing from the nail base to the tip, the head should turn towards the nail base. That means in the opposite direction. If the bit moves away, it's the wrong direction and you can easily injure yourself. If you notice this, you can quickly change the direction. Remove the layers gently and evenly, layer by layer. It is very important to not apply any pressure on the nail. You should only lightly float over the nail with a feeling. Always keep the grinding head moving. Don't stop at one point, as the area could quickly heat up and injure the nail bed. Especially as a beginner, avoid removing the complete nail design. There should still be a bit of nail design left to avoid damaging the nail plate or the natural nail. You can now remove any remaining dipping residue on the side walls with the ceramic bit cone, which is perfect for safely removing residue from hard to reach areas. But be careful with the tip. Never penetrate too deeply into the cuticle. Insert the bit into the nail drill and set the speed to 10,000 to 15,000 rotations per minute. Generally, when working around the cuticle or nail edges, the speed should not exceed 15,000 rotations per minute. Gently remove any residue by filing horizontally across the nail with the bit. It's safest to file from the base of the nail towards the tip. Otherwise, you may get stuck on a certain spot and generate heat. Now you can easily remove the last dipping layers with the removal kit. Soak the cotton pad of the removal wraps with Doonails remover and place it on the nail. Wrap the nails with the removal wraps and let them soak for about 10 to 15 minutes. You can then gently remove the remaining residue with a file and manicure stick. Now it's time for the manicure around the cuticles. Dead or excess cuticle can be gently removed with the small and fine flame and ball bits. Dead cuticles can be recognized by their whitish appearance. Anything that does not stick out is healthy and should not be removed. First, you can carefully push back the dead cuticle with the manicure stick. With the ceramic flame bit, you can easily work on and lift the dead cuticle. Insert the bit into the nail drill and start it at a speed of 10,000 to 15,000 rotations per minute. The excess cuticle must always be lifted from the nail plate upwards. Start in the middle of the nail bed and work towards the left and right sides of the nail with a right and left rotation. Always work from the center of the nail bed to the outside to lift the cuticle cleanly and evenly. The direction of rotation of the bit should always be in the opposite direction. Please be careful with the tip and never penetrate too deeply into the nail bed. To polish the excess cuticles and nail edges, the ceramic bit ball is used. If there is a lot of excess cuticles, it can be removed beforehand with a nail scissors. Insert the bit into the nail drill and start it at a speed of 10,000 to 15,000 rotations per minute. You can now gently remove the excess cuticles. To round off the manicure perfectly, or to prepare the natural nails for the next manicure, the ceramic bit cylinder is used. Insert the bit into the nail drill and start it at a speed of 10,000 to 15,000 rotations per minute. With the bit, you can remove the invisible cuticles from the nail plate and also clean the side walls perfectly. You can take care of your nails as usual with lots of moisture and care. If you can't wait to dip, please don't apply any oil as it can affect the adhesion.